Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin now. Make sure your Xiaomi A3 has at least 20% battery and the screen is unlocked. Once ready, open Settings and go straight to About Phone, locate build number and tap it 7 times. You'll see a small countdown or message like, "You are now X steps away from being a developer." If asked, confirm your device PIN or pattern. This verifies it's you. This step turns on the hidden developer layer. You need it before changing anything deeper. Once done, go back to the main settings screen and look for System or Additional Settings. Developer Options appears there after activation. Tap into Developer Options and authenticate again if the system prompts for your PIN. This secures sensitive settings. Scroll slowly to find USB debugging, OEM unlocking, and animation scale settings. Each toggle has implications, so read the short description. You can enable or disable specific. Finish by enabling the precise options you need. Turn on USB debugging for ADB access, and only enable OEM unlocking if you plan to unlock the bootloader. This carries risk. You can also set window, transition, and animator duration scales to 0, 5, or 1x for testing. Make sure to toggle features off when done to reduce risk. If developer options don't appear, reboot and repeat the 7 taps, check for system updates, or clear settings app cache. That resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.